Big story at 5. Everyone 16 and older in Wisconsin will be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine on May 1st. The governor announcing that today, and this just in. The State Department of Health Services also making restaurant workers immediately eligible.
Governor Tony Evers announcing the federal government's commitment to increase supply will make all of this possible. Our Angelica Sanchez has more now from Kenosha, where the governor took a tour of a new community vaccination clinic.
A well-oiled machine.
From people doing the registrations online.
That's how Governor Tony Evers describes the new Kenosha Community Vaccination Clinic.
Or over the phone and making sure they get here. It just doesn't happen.
The new clinic space will allow the Kenosha Health Department to double the vaccinations given in a day.
This new facility will allow us to vaccinate up to 2,300 and even higher.
The next phase of Wisconsinites eligible for the vaccine begins on March 29th. It applies to anyone ages 16 and older with underlying health conditions. But on Friday, state health officials announced all restaurant workers in Wisconsin are immediately eligible for the vaccine. President Joe Biden announced all adult Americans will be eligible for the vaccine on May 1st. Governor Evers says he is confident Wisconsin will be ready to meet the demand on May 1st and will open vaccines to everyone 16 and older. He does ask for patience.
In any situation, there will be bumps in the road. I mean, we could have a massive snowstorm next week, and it would stop the process. People have to be patient.
He also toured the facility.
There's a lot of smiles that I saw in the back there.
He is urging all those vaccinated to become ambassadors of the vaccine.
My grandkids are counting the days. Grandma, did you get your shots yet? I said, we're going to.
Perhaps the biggest motivation is knowing we are one step closer to hugging those we love the most.
Haven't seen them for a long time. Too long.
If you are eligible for the vaccine and want your shot at the community clinic, you must first have an appointment. You must also be a resident or work in Kenosha County. Reporting in Kenosha, Angelica Sanchez, FOX6 News.